Hey folks, Heavy Duty Reviews, Heavy Duty Customs back with another review of the Tisas 1911 D10 10mm. And it comes with forged 1911 D10, frame and slide, hammer forged barrel, Series 70 internals, standard 1911 magazines, HBM hardened before machined. So that's great. This is not a Tisas. This is a Chip McCormick 9+1 round magazine. I got a couple of 8-round magazines that are all metal, like the Chip McCormick, except for the bottom, of course. But they seem like Metgar magazines, maybe. Really nice. It does come with a barrel tool, a barrel bushing tool, which thank God, because I took it apart. And I cleaned it, and I polished the feed ramp. Don't worry, there's nothing in it, as you can see. But I did polish the feed ramp and the hood. Probably see it better with the magazine out. Yeah, there we go. So it's fully polished. This thing has it's a lot to, it's getting smoother. But when I first bought it, I had a thumb injury where I cut off the tip of my thumb. Anyway, it's got a sweet trigger, like a little bit of take up, and just really nice. Really nice. Just there, it's at the wall. There it is again. It's just really nice. It comes with a lot of features that are found on more expensive 1911s, like front and back serrations on the slide. It's got a nice trigger and hammer. Front and back serrations on the back strap and foregrip. And really nice. You get really high up on this extended beaver tail. It's got a really nice safety, very, very clicky. Very positive click. The safety's on. Some people were complaining that they could see a hole right there. I don't see any hole. Some people complained that it was real loose. But this thing is, like I'm really pushing and pulling on it, and nothing, just nothing. And the barrel, I can't get it to move. No press off on the hammer. It's solid. It's almost like it's hand fitted. You can look at it. It's pretty solid. Let's do that. It's got sort of a flared magwell, a little flare there. And it just shoots magazines out. Well, it didn't that time because I was on camera. But they just come shooting out. Ambidextrous safeties. This nice X, Roman numeral X for 10 millimeter right there on the barrel. Can't wait to shoot this thing. It's got I've got some Underwood 155 grain XTPs moving at about 1,500 feet per second, with about 775 foot-pound of energy. I hope I can get it up there. It comes with the cleaning kit over here, which I did use. Put some. You can also use your mop, which I also did use, but this makes a good little, clean your barrel out. Put some wipes on that, oil it up, which I did oil it up. It came oiled, but I cleaned it up and oiled it up because they fired it at the factory, and I wanted to go from clean jump. Thank God for that barrel bushing tool. But it's a nice gun. It really is. The sights, this is LPA sights, fully adjustable for windage and elevation. They're serrated, and so is the front sight. It's serrated, and it's not a bad sight picture. I don't know if you can pick that up, but I probably change the front sight out for something a little more visible, or paint it white or some fluorescent color. That's just my personal opinion. It's got these really nice. It's got a nice undercut underneath the trigger guard too. You can get high up on that beaver tail. It doesn't seem like some people were saying that if you're a lefty, it'll cut into your. It doesn't seem like that's possible. I can also round that off. A gunsmith. So, nice mag release, nice checkering, nice G10 grips. I love these grips. I don't know if I'll change them out or not. I might do a trigger job on it and I might not. I don't know. But that's all I've got. Please subscribe, please like, please leave me a comment. Ring the bell for notifications. Thank you. Have a good one.